If you want to earn $1 to $100 through a platform that I will be sharing, then you better watch this video until the end. Step 1. Download and install an app. This platform is an innovative platform designed to help you earn passive income by simply by rewarding you with points for staying active and completing tasks online. You can redeem these points for cash, gift cards, cryptocurrency, or even donate them to support causes you care about sharing. It is also available in over 200 countries and provides multiple withdrawal options. This is also an online platform that allows you to share your data while you browse the internet. Think of it as a win-win system where you get paid for the data that companies usually collect for free. The app prioritizes your privacy, ensuring that all your shared data is aggregated and anonymous. It's not just about earning money. You take control of your online presence and get rewarded for it. Today, I'm going to share an exclusive bonus tip that could boost your SWASH app earnings by up to 10 times, so make sure you stay with me until the end. Many people are already making money through SWASH app, and the best part is, it's completely free to use, meaning you don't need to invest anything to start earning. This platform is called SWASH app. Now, visit the official SWASH website at swashapp.io and download the app. Install it as a browser extension on popular browsers like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Let's explore more on the advantages of using SWASH app. First, earn passive income. No extra effort is needed. Just use the internet as you normally would. Second, data privacy. Your data is anonymized and securely aggregated, ensuring your information is safe. Third, easy to use. It's simple to install and runs in the background without slowing down your browser. Lastly, transparency. SWASH lets you see how much you're earning and what data is being shared. Step 2. Sign up and set up your account. After installation, sign up using your email address or connect your Google account. Complete your profile to maximize earning potential. This helps the app understand the type of data you generate. To start earning with SWASH app, click the Get SWASH button, which will take you to the Google Chrome web store. Here, you'll see that SWASH app boasts over 5,000 positive reviews. To install it, simply click Add to Chrome. Once the extension is added, a page will appear asking if you're new to SWASH. Select Yes, I am new here to create a new wallet. Next, carefully review the privacy policy, check the agreement box, and click Next. On the following screen, securely store your private key by checking the confirmation box and proceeding. You'll then be prompted to provide details like your gender, age, and household income. Fill these in and click Next. Use a valid email address to sign up, as you'll need it for verification. After entering your email, tick the I am not a robot box and click Submit. Shortly after, you'll receive a verification code via email. Copy and paste the code into the provided field, then click Verify. Congratulations! Your SWASH wallet is now set up. Scroll down and select Turn SWASH on to access your profile. Initially, your dashboard will indicate that only verified members can withdraw earnings. To unlock withdrawals, make sure to verify your phone number and complete your profile. Step 3. Start browsing the web. Once set up, simply browse the internet as you usually do. SWASH will collect your browsing data in an aggregated and anonymous form. First, you can earn money by watching ads. To do this, begin earning money by watching Google ads. Go to the left menu and click on Earn More. From there, select Earn from Ads, which will take you to a section where you can activate 3 earning options. After installing the extension, these options might not be enabled on your profile, so make sure to turn all 3 on to start earning by viewing Google ads. Once activated, banner ads will start appearing as you browse. You don't need to click on these ads to earn. You'll automatically receive payments for each ad displayed. However, if an ad interests you, feel free to click on it. Step 4. Discover more earning potentials. To boost your income, revisit the Earn More section to explore additional earning opportunities beyond watching ads. These include completing surveys, installing apps and games, and performing other tasks. You can also share your referral link to earn rewards from referrals. Plus, a mobile app is in development, offering even more ways to increase your earnings. Step 5. Check your earnings. Open the SWASH dashboard to monitor your earnings. You'll see the real-time value of your contributions. The more time you spend on using this platform, the more results will show. Step 6. Withdraw your earnings. This is the most awaited part. After all the efforts, withdrawing your earnings feels good. Once you've accumulated enough, you can withdraw your earnings through various payout methods, including cryptocurrencies or digital wallets. Sintelligence. Enhance your business insights. The perfect solution for businesses seeking actionable, zero-party insights powered by SWASH data and driven by Web3. The Sintelligence Analytics platform offers a cookieless approach that connects businesses with people seamlessly. Step 7. The role of SWASH in the business industry. SWASH offers a variety of solutions aligned for businesses, advertisers, charities, and data scientists, enabling them to engage easily with the SWASH ecosystem. Data for good. Donate and receive in the web, 3-way. With Data for Good, SWASH's in-app donation feature, charities can effortlessly boost donations and reach new audiences. Donors can set up their contributions in just a few simple steps. Supporting the causes you care about has never been more convenient. Discover how to become an active member of the SWASH community. If you're interested in being a token holder, learning where to acquire SWASH, exploring its various use cases, joining the SWASH DAO, or finding ways to make a bigger impact, there's a place for you. Access a comprehensive collection of SWASH-related media, both internal and external, all in one place. Explore features from prestigious platforms like Harvard Business Review, Forbes, the ODI, CoinDesk, and HackerNoon. Stay updated with the latest SWASH product developments, announcements, competitions, and more. You can join over 582,000 people who are already earning money from their data today. So, in this video, you have learned that the SWASH app is a powerful tool that allows you to turn your everyday browsing habits into a stable, passive income. Just simply install the app, create your account, and use the internet like you always do. You can start earning without any extra effort. Plus, with its strong focus on privacy, transparency, and ease of use, SWASH ensures you're in control while being rewarded for your data. Now here's a question for you. Why let your data go to waste when you can monetize it securely? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Take advantage of SWASH app's features, share it with your friends, and explore even more ways to earn through its ecosystem. So, do you want to earn up to $650 per hour? The next video will cover free, legit survey sites that pays absolutely right. That is why, stay tuned for our future videos because for sure, you'll discover more to make money online. See you in the next one.